Y'all get ready to jump now. Bail, 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 bail. Everybody bail.
Where's Cap?
Let's get a flare popped over Market Town if you can. I've got an napalm strike locked and loaded.
Copy. Solid copy. Flare up.
Oh yeah, these guys are getting fucking touched. Dropping
Hit those
napalm.
fuckers. They're killing me.
We dropped some napalm on this bridge.
I just dropped some napalm on the Market Town. I'm currently tapped for munition supplies right
I
now.
love the smell of napalm in the morning.
It's fucking beautiful, man.
If only they...
Copter, a transport chopter on mid.
Hey, there's
Yep.
there's a helicopter sitting in the middle of the woods right there, lost, right beside the spawn, or the point.
Transport chopper is still on play. I'm gonna drop you guys a supply drop kilo.
That sounds fine by us. We can still get you guys supplied up. Just send us coordinate points.
I see the active infantry. Yeah, I'm just gonna drop artillery in the middle of that bitch. Where main reinforcements are. I just dropped a live ping where most of those fuckers are.
I'm inbound right there on that spot.
Called in a recon plane over Market Town to try and get an idea of where these guys are mainly stationed.
Roger that.
Yeah, they are fucking littering that B.
Bro, you still come.
I'm on the ground, command, dropping supplies. If y'all can get somebody to build a garrison, that'd be great. We got an enemy boat right here.
I mean, yeah, that convoy down there is fucked. You got like 3 guys down there left. You guys can push it.
I think I got more of them than I did of us.
Seeing a lot of their infantry come from the left side of convoy. Yeah, a shitload of fucking infantry coming from the left.
Command, you
have
drop your
something over
supplies. I
there.
want to ping that you mark. Alright, right there.
Yep.
Alright, I'm dropping in hot.
Godspeed.
Just got rid of a tunnel.
Hell yeah.
Edge of D4, right side.
Oh, those are some good fucking pings, recon.
Roger that, roger that.
Calling it a strafing run.
Alright, command.
On, like, the
supply,
middle of
your
that
supplies
bitch.
are down where you wanted them. Heading out, going back for another load.
Who's talking?
Not
Command,
Naughty
can you get rid of
Bears,
the one, and can you get rid of the one in industrial?
the garrison.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
get
I
rid of
got
it.
you. Garrison's down.
I was trying to get rid of it.
Don't even trip.
Thank you, sir.
I got y'all.
I put it there because we didn't have one up.
Command, I got your garrison up
it
over
was-
here. Yeah.
For the bushes.
Good luck, boys.
Thank you.